Peter Chow here. Guess what time it is? Yes, you are right, it's Peter Chow time. So I read some disturbing news today. I don't know what to think about it because it just seems to me that Bruce Willis is nothing but a greedy, bald bastard. It was reported that he was going to be attached to the movie Expendables 3. 4 days of shooting in Bulgaria, he wanted $1 million a day. So when Sylvester Stallone said, I'm going to give you $3 million, he said no. And now Bruce Willis is going to be nowhere near Expendables 3. I'm sorry, is $1 million a day not enough, Mr. Willis? What do you think, pussy? If you want to be in the video, you're going to have to sign something called a release contract. Because what if I represent you poorly in the video and you don't like it? Now you're laying down? Because if you're going to be in the video, you have to sign something called a release form. You're lucky I don't have a pen, and this is a checkbook. So that's not going to work out. You're really going to stay there. Hey, good. The more the merrier. So anyway, Bruce Willis is out of Expendables 3, and guess what? He has been replaced by Harrison Ford. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer Harrison Ford way over, maybe like 10 times over, to Bruce Willis. But since we have a pussy here, let's talk about pussies indeed. My favorite time of the year is when Rihanna goes to Barbados, because it's guaranteed that there's going to be naked pictures being posted on her Instagram. If you are interested, maybe visit Rihanna's Instagram photo, Bad Girl Riri, because it's pretty much pictures of her being drunk and naked. So there you go. Don't say I don't do any favors for you, honey child. Especially since the interweb is pretty much made out of 12-year-old little boys who constantly and permanently have a boner. I really shouldn't be talking about 12-year-old boys with boners because people are going to get a wrong idea. So I'm signing off. Make sure to check out my latest video of me ripping apart Justin Bieber on my main channel right here. And guess what? I have an announcement for my gaming channel. I'm going to be playing The Last of Us. So make sure to stay tuned into my gaming channel, Peter Chow Games. So until next time, say bye-bye to my geeks, say bye-bye to yourself, say bye-bye to me, but say hello to my t-shirt, in which you can buy at districtlines.com/pyrobooby. And of course, if you want to rock the shades that I rock on a daily basis, make sure to visit shadysluts.com and use my personal promo code PYROBOOBS. That gets you $10 off. So until next time, stop drinking the haterade. Stop being a greedy motherfucking bastard asshole mother bitch. Buy my song Douche on iTunes. Oh, bye-bye Kiki. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good time. And start drinking the bubble tea. Ciao outside, motherfucker.
I need you to take my hand, girl. I'll lead you to a better place. I'ma show you a new world.
I'm so tired. Kim Kardashian's beauty tips. Oh, you like that? You like having that fat fucking ass? Yeah, oh, hello.
You talking ding dong to Kim Kardashian again?